Welcome back. ISU men's basketball coach Greg Lansing said he didn't schedule Notre Dame just to play them. His Sycamores wanted to prove they could beat the nationally ranked Fighting Irish. Coach Lansing's guys gave 25th ranked Notre Dame a battle tonight. First half, Jake Odom with one of his 4 assists to Carl Richard for the baseline jumper. ISU takes the 9-7 lead. Dwayne Lathan attacking the rim, gets the floater to drop. Lathan had a team-high 22 points. Lathan strong to the 10 again, the hoop and harm. That puts ISU up 20-19. Notre Dame would end the half on an 11-3 run. The Irish led at recess 38-33. Second half, Odom and Richard again hooking up for ISU. Richard knocks down 2 of his 14. Notre Dame, though, just had too many weapons. Ben Hansborough, who is money on the 3 here, led 5 Irish players in double figures with 24 points. Notre Dame wins by 9, 81-72 over ISU. After the game, Coach Lansing said he thought his team played good enough on one end of the court to win tonight.
And scoring 72 points against a good defense ought to be good enough. And I really think it was the letdown on defense. You know, a letdown on defense to start the second half. The guys hung in there. They did. They battled. We kept chipping away, and giving ourselves a chance. It just wasn't quite good enough to end the first half and start the second.